guys, Lexi here. So it seems Christmas came early for me. My barrow just arrived, so let's unpack it. This is my fishing barrow. As you could see, this can be put a little bit wider on the other side also. Yeah, you can see it's so very easily done with these screws. I thought I had 3 bags with them, 1 side bag, 1 front, and the one in the middle at the back, but I got 4, so double happy. Looks really nice. TF gear, never heard of it, but hey, who cares? So now I can't wait to go fishing. This one is nice and deep, by the way. All the bags have nice handles on it. A little bit too bad that this one doesn't have a cover, but for the rest, I'm happy. So this was my fishing barrow and me unpacking it and putting it actually together without a guide. Yeah, I hope you liked the video. I definitely like the fishing barrow. Yeah, now I have to wait until I can go fish. According to Spanish news, they're gonna tell us tonight what is going on and when they're gonna lift up the rules a little bit. I know for sure it's not going to be before the 11th, so I still have to wait a long way. Yeah, like I said, I hope you like this video, so please push that like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I know this is only the second video, but there are coming more. Like my Facebook page, like my Instagram page, like the video on Instagram. Instagram is Lexus Carp, YouTube is Lex Carp, Facebook is Lex Carp. So please like, subscribe, and share this video. See you next time, and for now, happy carp hunting.